In this video, I am going to explain how to enter transactions in a credit note. In this video, we are going to learn two ways to enter transactions in a credit note. First one we are going to learn using voucher mode. Next one is using invoice mode. First we will understand why these credit notes are used. Credit notes are used to record transactions details about sales returns. Credit notes are maintained by the seller. Whatever goods are sold by the seller or returned by the buyer will be entered in the credit notes. Means credit notes are maintained by the seller. Whatever goods the seller has sold to the buyer because of some low quality or because of some damage, that buyer will be returned back to the seller. This seller will be maintained record in a credit note. Whatever goods are returned by the buyer. Okay, one company I have created here. In this company I will show how to use these or else how to enter these records in credit notes and using voucher mode and invoice mode. I have not created any ledger here. I will create ledgers in a vouchers itself by using shortcut keys. So I will go to accounting vouchers here. So now I am in a purchase. So what you need to use for using credit notes, first we need to sell the goods. So you need to go to sales voucher. So press F8 from your keyboard. Then sales voucher window will be displayed here. So first transaction I will read here. Dinesh Enterprises sold goods worth 50,000 on cash. Okay, Dinesh Enterprises is selling goods worth 50,000 on cash. He is not selling any particular items here. So this we need to enter in a voucher mode. But now currently I am in a invoice mode. So I need to change to voucher mode. So press Ctrl V from your keyboard to change to voucher mode. So here what you need to write? Here you need to write the reference number and take enter. And he is selling goods on cash. So here I need to select cash. Okay. Now he is selling goods worth 50,000 rupee. Here I will write 50,000. So take enter here. And next one, here you need to select sales ledger. So here still I have not created sales ledger. So press Alt C from your keyboard to open ledger creation window. And here I will enter sales ledger. And here you need to place this ledger under sales account. Okay, Ctrl A to save the changes. And here I am not specifying any specific item here. He is purchasing goods on cash. So he is not declaring any specific items. So I will take enter here and then accept it. Before I was not having any cash here. So go to balance sheet, press B from your keyboard and press Alt F1 to elaborate it. So here you can see I have not declared any specific items, cash in hand. So here you can see profit and loss account 50,000 it is showing. Okay, I was not having cash, so it is showing under the liabilities. Okay, now I have 50,000 rupee cash. So next transaction is what? Dinesh Enterprises received 20,000 returned goods from the buyer. Means Dinesh Enterprises are receiving 20,000 of goods from the buyer back. Okay, now this we have received returned goods. So this we need to enter in a credit note. So if you want to open credit note, then press Alt F8 from your keyboard. But here credit note is not active because you have not activated these credit notes in a feature option. So press F11 from your keyboard to activate these options. So take enter here. So these options we need to make it as. Okay. Next we need to maintain using invoice. So these two also you need to make it S. So Control A. Okay. Now credit note and debit notes both are active now. So if you want to use credit note, then press Control 8 from your keyboard, then credit note will be opened here. So what was the invoice number? 1 was the invoice number. So take enter, and here you need to select the cash because you are making this transaction on cash. So cash I am going to select. So how much cash you are going to receive? 20,000 back from the buyer. So sales, and here I am not specifying any specific item. So take enter. Before, this current balance was what? 50,000, because you had sold 50,000 goods to the buyer, but that buyer is returning 20,000 rupee back to the Dinesh Enterprises. So only 30,000 rupees remained in a current balance in a Dinesh Enterprises. So take enter, or else you can press Ctrl A to save the changes. Okay, next transaction is mine. Dinesh Enterprises sold 3 laptops worth 30,000 rupee. Okay, Dinesh Enterprises is selling 3 laptops worth 30,000 rupee. Means per laptop is 30,000 rupee. So here specific item name they have given. So this we need to enter in a invoice mode. So to open invoice mode, you need to press Ctrl V from your keyboard. So here is what? Quantity, rate and all it displayed. But now currently I am in a credit note. So you need to change to F8 sales voucher. Okay. Now here you need to write the reference number, and you are making this transaction on cash. So cash you need to select here, and here you need to select the sales ledger. Okay, because you are selling the specific items. So here I have not created any specific items. So to create a specific item in a voucher itself, so you need to press Alt C from your keyboard. Then stock item creation window will be displayed. So here I am selling laptop. So I will select laptop here. So I will select a primary. So here again you need to press Alt C from your keyboard to create unit of measures. So here I will select numbers, take enter and accept it. And here you can see one more point, %. So currently I am not having any specific items in my Dinesh Enterprise company. So here what you need to do, you need to enter the opening quantity, opening stock. So I will go to account, inventory info. So go to stock items, I will alter it, laptops I will go. So if you want to enter opening quantity and all, so you need to go to alter. So if you use Alt C to create while using vouchers itself, so you can't able to enter the opening quantities and all. 5 laptops are there in my company already. Each laptop is of, consider I have laptop, each laptop rate is of 25,000. Okay, accept it. Now I will go to accounting vouchers. So here reference number is 2, Alt A, then here is sales, and here what I will select, laptop. So how many laptops I am selling to the buyer? Okay, 3 laptops I am selling. Okay, each laptop rate is what? 30 rupee. Okay, 10 rupee, 5,000 rupee I will make revenue from these laptop items. So I will accept it. Okay, now how many remained in my company? 2 laptops are remained now. Okay, now here you can check the balance sheet. Press B, press Alt F1. Then here you can see before how much it was. Now you can see opening balance is of 1,25,000. Because this opening balance it is showing here, it is because that item you have taken as a opening quantity. So this is showing in a opening balance 1,25,000. Okay, now here how many you sold? 3 items we have sold. So how much cash has remained? 1,20,000 cash has remained. Next question is what? 2 laptops are returned by the buyer on cash. Means we have already sold 3 laptops, but buyer is returning 2 laptops returned to the Dinesh Enterprises. Okay, now I will go to accounting vouchers. We are receiving return from the buyer. So this we need to enter in a credit note. So press Ctrl F8 from your keyboard. So credit note will be displayed here. So here you need to enter the specific invoice number. So here you need to select the cash and then sales, because you are entering about the sales transaction. Okay. Next, what item name you are receiving back? Laptop. So how many you are receiving? 2 laptops we are going to receive. 3 laptops we have sold and 2 laptops we are going to receive, and each laptop rate is of 30,000 rupees. Ctrl A to save it. Okay. Now if you want to check the balance, then go to press Alt F1 to elaborate. Go to closing stock. Here you can see 4 items has remained here. So first start 5 opening quantity was there, then 3 laptops we sold to the buyer, and then that buyer has returned 2 laptops back to us. Then again 4 laptops are remained. Only 1 laptop we are selling to the buyer. I hope you understood everything. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in a comment box. Definitely I will try to resolve your doubts. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.